Okay, listen up. If you have ever been told you will never get your federal gun rights back, you need to hear this. For the first time in a generation, a door that was bolted shut is about to swing wide open, and this may be your only chance to walk through it. That's right. You heard me. For the first time in over 30 years, the federal application portal is opening back up. This is a massive deal, a single nationwide opportunity for you to get your rights back, and it doesn't matter what state you live in. I mean, just look at this timeline. Back in 1992, Congress slammed the door on this program, shut it down completely. For more than 3 decades, there was no federal path, no application to fill out, no one to review your case, just nothing, a total dead end. But that all changes in 2025. So how is this happening? Well, it's all thanks to a federal law, 18 U.S.C. Section 925C. This is the law that gives the Department of Justice the power to grant what's called relief from disabilities, which is just the legal fancy way of saying they can remove your prohibited status and restore your federal gun rights. Now, according to the source material we're looking at, this whole process was initiated based on a vision from Donald Trump. The idea was that Americans who've paid their debt to society shouldn't be held back by old, outdated federal laws. The rollout itself is being overseen by the former Florida Attorney General, Pam Bondi, and the stated goal is simple: to create a fair, qualified process for Americans. So what this all boils down to is a historic, once-in-a-generation shot. But here's the catch. This isn't going to be open forever. The window will be short. So the real question you have to ask yourself is this: will you be ready to go on day one the second that portal opens? And you absolutely have to be ready. Why? Because the process is going to be strict, and this is crucial. Applications are expected to be reviewed in the order they're received. Think about that for a second. Being first in line with a perfect, complete application gives you an incredible advantage. Being late or submitting something with errors, well, you could miss your shot completely. So, with everything on the line, why are most people going to fail? After waiting 30 long years for this chance, what's the one mistake that will cost them everything? It's actually shockingly simple. They'll wait. That's it. They'll see the news reports, they'll hear that the portal is live, and then they'll start thinking, oh, I should probably get my documents together. But by then, the virtual line will be thousands of people deep. They'll be scrambling. By then, for all practical purposes, it is already too late. And just look at this mountain of paperwork you're going to need. We're not talking about 1 or 2 forms here. We're talking certified court judgments, discharge papers, a personal cover letter that has to be absolutely convincing, multiple character letters, proof of your job, your housing. This isn't something you knock out on a Saturday afternoon. This takes weeks, maybe even months of dedicated work. So really, this all leaves you with 2 paths. Path 1 is scrambling at the last minute. It's filled with panic, missing documents, and a rushed application that, let's be honest, is probably going to get denied. Path 2, that's being prepared. It's confidence. It's having a complete, perfect packet ready for day 1 submission, giving you the absolute best shot at success. And that second path, the one of confidence and preparation, that is the entire reason the 9to5C Made Simple workbook was created. It is your A to Z guide to getting everything done, everything perfect, and being 100% ready before the portal even thinks about going live. Let me tell you, this isn't just a book, it's a complete system. Inside, you get step-by-step instructions in plain English. Checklists for every single document so you don't miss a thing. You get sample letters that are proven to work, templates for your family or your boss, and worksheets to keep your entire case organized. It's literally everything you need, all in one place. This workbook even makes all the legal stuff easy to understand. That official term, relief from disabilities, it just means getting that prohibited person label removed at the federal level so you can legally own a firearm again. The workbook breaks it down so simply, anyone can get it. You know, the official government process for this is a beast. It's over 21 chapters long. It's designed to be confusing. But the workbook, it takes all of that and distills it down into these 5 simple, manageable steps. It walks you through everything from figuring out if you're eligible to knowing exactly what to do after you click submit. This right here, this is the promise of the workbook. When that day finally arrives, when that portal goes live and everyone else is freaking out, you won't be scrambling, you'll be submitting. Calm, confident, and correct. I want you to let this number really sink in. 1. You get 1 chance to make your case. 1 shot to make a first impression with the Department of Justice. After a 30-year wait, there are no second chances, no do-overs. Your application has to be flawless the first time. So the bottom line is this: you cannot afford to mess this up. This is the only federal path to get your rights back that has existed in our lifetime. You have to be ready on day one, and this workbook is the single best tool to guarantee that you will be.
Please do not wait until it's too late. The people who are going to succeed are the ones who started preparing yesterday. Click the link in the description right now. Get the workbook. Secure your future. Be ready.